Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to get free games. Yeah, that's right, free games. So you might be thinking, what am I talking about? Well, let me show you. We will get free games through the power of emulation. Emulation is a program that runs to act like another. So a good example would be, on this computer, I will be getting an SNES emulator. And what that will do is that will allow me to play SNES games on my computer. And that's like, usually, that's not supposed to be able to be possible. You have to at least pay some money. Well, this will be completely free. Now let me show you. So you're going to want to go to these links. I will put these links in the description. And you're gonna once you're here, you're gonna want to click on this right here, the bottom link. I already got it, so I won't be. So you click it, and then once you click it, the download should start. And once there's the download, you will get all of these. So when you first get it, it's gonna be like in your downloads folder, and it's gonna be in a zip file format. So you're going to have to right click it, and then there's going to be an extract button. Click on that, and then click where you want to put it. Okay, so once you do that, load it up, and you're going to see these files. Click on the actual thing. It might say you need to download something to have audio. I won't be getting audio in this video. So once you do this, just click load game, and I already got a game, so that's why there's one here, but you probably don't, so I will also be showing you where to get games. So there are many sites that can allow you to get ROMs, but some of them may have malware, and you don't want that. So I have a site for you. I'll put this in the link below also. Emulator games right here. Here is where you will get games and such. What you can just do, so you're going to go, and you're going to see all these consoles. Click on the console or that you are emulating, which is for us the Super Nintendo. And so it's going to just load up all the games on the Super Nintendo. All of these you can play. So just find one, whatever you want. Let's say I want to play Super Mario World, right? You just click on it. And once you click it, it will start. You'll click Save Game. You're going to want to click that, and it'll have a countdown. And then it'll download it. And this also has... right here it says to play this ROM offline, you need to download emulators. You could click that, but you could also just use the link that I gave you to get SNES emulators. And after you do this and you get the game, you're also gonna have to extract the game in your downloads file. It's gonna show up. Extract it. So just click on it, left click, and then right click. And then go to extract, or it'll just pop up here also. You're going to click where you want to put it. I would put it in the ROM folder right here. So when you load it up, it will just take you directly to that folder. So once you put it in that specific folder, you just click load game, and it'll be here, because it goes to the ROM folder. So you can just click it, and the game will load up, and you can play the game. Whole game. But you might have to get the thing, of course, to get the audio. That specific download. I won't, but you could. I just won't be getting it. But I do recommend that you should probably get it. But that is all for today. I will be dropping more of these videos. If you want to see them, let me know in the comments. And until then, Bye.